Welcome to your Valentine's Day message from your Valentine. The messages will be relevant from 14th February 2021 to 14th February 2022. Even if you're single, you can have a look at this reading. Perhaps your Valentine could make an entry in the course of the year. This reading, we will use this love oracle deck which has been created by me. Geminis, this reading will hold true from 14th February 2021 to 14th February 2022. We do have hesitancy, commitment phobia. I think in your connection, this person is unsure about whether to go the distance with you or whether to walk down the aisle with you. Maybe he wants to propose, but then he is in two minds. Certainly, he is dilly-dallying or he's hesitant with respect to this connection. It's only when the heart and the mind are in alignment, a decision can be made. Perhaps this is a constant tussle that is going on in this person's head. On the other hand, you do want an assurance. I think the ring has to fit perfectly well before this relationship can move forward or before it can ascend. You believe this person wants to have the cake and eat it too, but you are very decided that you want nothing but commitment. Obstacles to overcome, other challenges that are going to surface in this relationship this year is clueless, confused and perplexed. It's quite likely that this person is quite baffled with respect to this connection. Certainly something is bothering him. Maybe he wants answers from you or from the universe. Sometimes, time alone or separation can also throw up answers in the path of this person. And this could give him a reason to be back in your arms. It could also be vice versa, Geminis. It may be that you are also a bit confused with respect to this connection or you want clarity of sorts. Influences is if only you were aware of the effect you have on me. I think this person wants to make it clear, even if he cannot verbalize these things or his thoughts. Be rest assured that you have impacted his life in more ways than one, even if he can't utter the same. Perhaps this person is tongue-tied in your presence. But then there are some sensations which the body picks up. Maybe you will be aware of the same. I think it's a soul connection which is quite deep. Surely we have pink roses, so this person definitely admires you, or the romance is blossoming. In all likelihood, you have pulled at his heartstrings. We do have forgiveness heals, revenge doesn't. In the course of the year, you may feel that there could be issues that could bother this connection. I think the two of you need to forgive and forget. You should move on for your highest good. Revenge only leads to bitterness. Ideally also, I think Geminis, you do need to meditate. Maybe you need to do some healing sessions together. Don't have bitterness on revenge on your mind. Maybe there's some kind of toxicity which is affecting this connection. Basically, it needs to be done away with before the two of you can move forward in this journey of love. Love went cold. At times, because of these unspoken words or because of lack of communication, there could be times when the relationship could be icy. Indeed, there could be those times or there could be those moments when there is no warmth. Like I said, this card brings to mind that you need to put things into perspective. You need to understand the future of this connection. You have to express your deepest feelings. So this person has to communicate his regard for you. The two of you don't want this connection to be frozen in time. The last card in this reading is Forsaken. Maybe this person feels that you have left him in the cold or you have abandoned or deserted him. Perhaps he feels as though you have cast him aside, especially when he really needs you by his side. There could be those times when you need a person just to be there for you, and he may feel as though that you have walked away from this connection. I think Geminis, you should be mindful of these situations which could arise in your relationship this year. Ideally, Geminis, you need to convey to each other what is it that you feel. I think this person also has to express himself, has to open his throat chakra. Healing did come up in your relationship, so basically the two of you need to heal your throat chakra as well, so that there's free-flowing conversation. Incidentally, Geminis, you are known to be clip talkers, so this period of no communication could have a bearing on the two of you. Certainly, we do enjoy the bliss of solitude, but then when we form a connection with someone, communication is the key. Communication certainly sustains a relationship. And you know this better than anybody, Gemini.